Blessings, family. I pray you guys have had a great day. And if you are new here and just stopping by, welcome. And I hope you guys hit the subscribe button and join the family. Bring my heart joy. Excuse me, because I have my pajamas on. I'm not feeling well today. Anyway, I want to come on and unbox the new January subscription box from Firefield Creations. And the owner of Firefield Creations is Michelle Winter. And I got this beautiful box out the mail today, so I had to come unbox it for you guys. It is so pretty in this wintry blue. Oh, I just love it. Anyway, y'all, before I get started, I need a big, huge favor. I really do, y'all. I mean, I need this favor, right? You see, I have my nails done. I got my nails done because we had I had my 63rd birthday and 25th anniversary party on the night. And so I'm not a person that get nails. So I was talking to getting some nails for the party. And you see my nails are growing, so they are growing off, right? And I want them off. I want them off ASAP. I want them off, y'all. But the problem is, I have rheumatoid arthritis. And my legs have been hurting so bad. I mean, for me to take a step, y'all, I just want to cry. It's been so hard for me to walk. The pain is so bad. So I can't get to the nail shop. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to the nail shop. So if you guys know what I can do or what I can use at home to get these nails off, please let me know in the comment section. I would really, really appreciate it. I know I'm crazy, y'all. Look over me, but hey, this nail's getting on my nerve. This nails going along with this pain, not working. So I need to know how to get these nails off at home because I can't get to the nail shop right now. Pain's too bad. Anyway, thank you guys. If you can tell me how to do that, please leave a comment in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys are family, so I can ask anything and talk to you about anything because y'all know me. Hey, I'm just a real person. 63 years old. I'm not going to change being me. And that's just it. So when y'all tune into Expressions of Faith with Judy, you're going to get a real down-to-earth little silly person. So anyway, thanks, Michelle, for this beautiful box. Oh, and I see something very special in here. This is a note Michelle wrote to me. She said, Judith, thank you for being a special part of Firefield Creations. Here is a small gift you can use to tote around your happy place items. Thank you. Oh, isn't this pretty, yo? Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm going to fill this bag with my Bible study items, y'all. And sit it by my recliner chair in the living room. So I don't have to keep getting up walking back and forth because it's too painful right now. And oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this came right on time. This is so cute, y'all. Look. My happy place items. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you, Michelle. Okay, so here we go with the beautiful box. Let's open it. Okay. I still don't know how to use these papers, y'all. I still don't know how. I'm going to figure it out, though. I'm going to figure it out. I just have so much going on with my health right now, y'all. I'm a miracle. I'm telling you, when you look at me, you're looking at a miracle. You won't believe. You just would not believe. All the serious health issues going on with my body right now. It's unbelievable. And it's nobody but God's hand on me. I can tell you that. Okay, it says, in this box, you get a message and monthly challenge, 1 letter size double-sided matte print, 1 letter size acetate print, 1 letter size vellum print, 4 large sticker sheets, 1 large alpha and numeric sticker sheet, 18 die-cut pieces, 4 journaling cards, month of days and date stickers, 1 TN size journal, and 1 15mm roll of washi. And that is what comes in the box. Oh, I love these colors. And the title of this month's box is New Season, because we got into a new year. And look at this journal. Oh, I know what I'm going to do with it. Oh. I'm going to use this. You know, everybody's picking one little word. And I always ask God, you know, God, what's my one little word for the year? Or what do I need to do or focus on or prepare for or whatever? You know, God, give me one little word. And y'all, I heard God so clearly. He spoke to me and he gave me 2 words. Transition and trust. Now, I understand what trust means, but I ain't quite sure why he gave me the word transition. So, if any of you guys know any Bible verses or scriptures that go along with the word transition, please leave it in the comment section. Please do that for me. Please do that for me. So anyway, I'm going to write all my scriptures that has to do with transition and trust in this beautiful TN journal. And look at this washi tape. Oh my gosh. If I can get it open, y'all. It's these nails. I can't function with them, y'all. I cannot. I'm not a nail person. Oh my God. And then they're so loose. You know, it hurts. I gotta figure out a way. Anyway, y'all, I'm not gonna be able to show y'all this washi. But it is so beautiful and floral, and here it goes. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm not going to be able to unroll it, but I hope you guys can see that. It is so pretty. And next we have the journaling cards. I think you get 4 of those. Oh, those are so pretty. And then you just have the dot on the back where you can journal your prayers or scripture or thoughts or whatever. Those are so pretty. So you have the journaling card. Then you have the numbers and the days of the week sticker sheet. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, you know, I know I love the gray salt and pepper hair. Yes. I'm almost entirely gray, y'all. I'm almost entirely gray. I love it. My husband absolutely loves my gray hair. Oh, this is so pretty. New things, old things. I'm not looking back. Moving forward. Honey, you have a sticker sheet of those beautiful florals. You have the alpha and number sticker sheet. Oh, and then you have the girls and the dolls in 3 different skin tones. So there's a skin tone for everyone. That's what I love about this box. You don't leave anyone out. Okay, so you have that. Okay, see. And then here's a devotional. New season. Old things are passed away. Yes. And I'm not going to read what's in here. You're going to have to get the box and do that for yourself. But it's always good. Always good. Okay, and then you have the papers. Look at that beautiful, beautiful vellum paper. Look at that. I have to know. I can't figure out how to use these papers yet. Can y'all give me some suggestions on how I can use this beautiful paper? I don't want to just keep them. I want to use them. That is so pretty. So that's the vellum. This is the acetate. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. And then you have the cardstock. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. I want to learn how to use this paper, y'all. I need to learn how to use those papers. Oh, and then you get a little sample of the dolls. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. January. Oh, I am a crown of beauty and a royal diadem in the hand of the Lord. Isaiah 62, 3 through 4. Yes, Lord. And then last but not least, you get the die cut pieces. Okay. You have some tabs. New season. The girl walking. Butterflies. I'm a butterfly person. I love them. They're everywhere here. I love butterflies. I will keep my head looking forward and my gaze straight ahead. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. New vision, new beginning, new year. Walking into my new season backed by heaven. Yes, yes. Make change. You have the walking tall legs again. And then you have, I'm diligently working for the kingdom of heaven. I'm flying forward and not looking back. Another tab, I am a crown of beauty and a royal diadem in the hand of the Lord. So there are the die cut pieces, beautiful as always. So that is the January faith-based box from Firefield Creations. I'm gonna leave that out. From Firefield Creations. So you guys go on over to firefieldcreations.com and make sure you get this beautiful box entitled New Season. It is so, so, so gorgeous. Yes, yes, yes. New beginning. New beginning. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And you guys, you can use the code JULIP20 to get 20% off of your entire purchase at firefieldcreations.com, excluding the subscription box. You cannot use the code for the subscription box, but you can use it for everything else. The shop has been on vacation and it will be back open on Monday, January 8th. I think I'm correct. It will open back up Monday, January 8th. So again, thank you guys for watching. And remember that it is all about Jesus. It is all about Him. I love you guys. Happy New Year.